The Golden Gate Bridge is one of the most famous landmarks in the world, but its construction was far from easy. Built during the Great Depression between 1933 and 1937, the project faced enormous challenges. Engineers, workers, and designers had to overcome strong ocean currents, dangerous winds, and the technical limits at the time. Not to mention it was the middle of the Great Depression and the project was projected to cost $35 million, which is around $700 million today. Many people thought the project was impossible because of the money needed to finish it. The creation of the Golden Gate Bridge was a remarkable achievement that required courage, innovation, and determination. Let's talk about it. One of the greatest difficulties in building the Golden Gate Bridge was the harsh natural environment of the Golden Gate Strait. The waters below the bridge are nearly 300 feet deep with powerful tides and ocean currents from the Pacific Ocean. These conditions made it extremely hard to construct the bridge's foundations. Workers had to battle fog, cold temperatures, and high winds every day while balancing on narrow steel beams hundreds of feet above the water. Building the two tall towers, each 746 feet high, was especially dangerous because of these weather conditions. Engineering challenges also made the project extremely complicated. At the time, the Golden Gate Bridge was designed to have the longest suspension span in the world, 4,200 feet between its two towers. No one had ever built a bridge that long before. The engineers had to design special cables strong enough to hold the roadway. Each of the two main cables was made from 27,572 separate wires spun together on site, totaling more than 80,000 miles of wire. The bridge also had to be flexible enough to survive California earthquakes and winds over 100 miles per hour, which required new and creative engineering ideas. Another major challenge was safety. Construction work in the 1930s was dangerous, and building a bridge over open ocean made it even more so. Chief Engineer Joseph Strauss introduced one of the first large safety nets ever used in construction. This net saved 19 men who became known as the Halfway to Hell Club. Even with the net, 11 workers lost their lives during the project. For a structure of this size and time period, that number was considered relatively low, but it shows how risky the work truly was. Despite all of these difficulties, the Golden Gate Bridge was finished ahead of schedule and under budget. It officially opened in May 1937 and immediately became a symbol of American achievement and modern engineering. The success of the project proved that even the most difficult of obstacles could be overcome with determination, teamwork, and innovation. Thank you for watching. I'm a small channel, so any feedback or support would be appreciated.